So when people have all this, I mean, one of the most common causes of bankruptcy in the United States is healthcare, is related to healthcare expenses. I think it's actually the number one cause, right? Does that
Right up
occur
there.
because people are insured and they just can't meet the deductibles or that are pre-negotiated by their insurance company, and they actually would have been better off not even having insurance because then the
I
hospital would
think
have, in
so.
good faith, negotiated better.
I think so. Like I said earlier, the whole point of insurance is if you have a big event, you are covered. Like you don't go into financial distress. But the problem we have with health insurance nowadays is that employers oftentimes are masking rising healthcare prices by keeping premiums flat and raising deductibles. And so
Right.
people are getting into these deductibles where they are five, six, eight, $10,000 sometimes. And look, if you don't have five, six, 10,000, $10,000 in your bank account, you don't really have health insurance because that is going to put you in a massive financial hole. And these deductibles keep creeping up. Kaiser Family Foundation keeps, every single year, like you see these deductibles creep up and premiums have started to flatten a little bit, right? But deductibles keep creeping up, and it's just a way to mask rising healthcare costs. I think I did a kind of unofficial survey of 1,000 random people on one of those survey things online, and it was like 60% of people know what their deductible is, 40% of people don't know what their deductible is. And part of the 60%, I'm telling you, are lying, because I've yet talked to a person who have health insurance who know exactly what their deductible is. They're like, I think it might be. And I'm like, guys, this is one of the most important numbers in your life, because if you have a massive health event, that's how much cash is coming out of your bank account. So you really need to understand what that is, and so all these healthcare.gov plans have massive, huge deductibles. And they are really putting people into some fierce financial difficulties because they just don't understand it.